In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Google Calendar events with emojis. Adding a little bit of personality to your schedule can make a world of difference, not only in how you organize your events, but also in how you engage with them. It transforms your calendar from a plain schedule into a vibrant, user-friendly interface that reflects your personality and mood, making it both practical and fun. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is find the emoji you'd like to use. This can be done on any website or application that supports emojis. Whether you have a favorite emoji website or you prefer to use an application on your phone or computer, there is a wide array of options available to suit your preference. Once you find the perfect emoji that represents your event or feeling, simply go ahead and copy it. It's usually as simple as selecting the emoji and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Next, you'll need to open Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once in Google Calendar, you have the option to either create a new event or edit an existing one. Simply click on the date and time slot where you want your event, or find the event you wish to edit. With the emoji copied and your event open, it's time to get creative. Take that emoji and paste it into the event title or description. This is where you can let your personality shine. To paste is as easy as pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You'll see your event title or description transform into something more visually engaging and perhaps more meaningful to you. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that your emoji makes its way into your calendar view. Simply click on Save, and at this point your Google Calendar event should now feature the emoji you've chosen, adding a splash of color and fun to your schedule. And there you have it, a fun and easy way to spice up your Google Calendar events with emojis. This little tweak not only makes your calendar more appealing, but can also help you quickly recognize events at a glance, especially when you use consistent emojis for specific types of activities. So go ahead and give it a try. Personalize your schedule and bring joy to your everyday planning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.